Hello and welcome to a new topic. What is Langue? By Ferdinand de Saussure. Let's talk about this topic in detail. Swiss linguist Ferdinand de Saussure discusses the concept of langue and parole in the third chapter titled The Object of Linguistics in his course in General Linguistics, translated by Wade Baskin. Point number 2. According to Saussure, the distinction between langue and parole is the basic starting point of modern linguistics. We continue our discussion in this respect. He believes that both langue and parole are the key concepts which often shape behavior of human speech and thought. Point number 4. Fundamentally, langue and parole are French words. Now let's talk about what is langue. To put it simply, langue means language. Point number 2, it includes all the rules and conventions regarding combinations of sounds, formation of words, sentences, pronunciation, and meaning. Then we have third point. In fact, langue is a product of social agreement. We continue our discussion in this respect, langue, and we have the next point. It is a set of conventions or a similarity of sounds, words, and meanings shared by all the speakers of the native population. Now we have the fifth point. Langue is abstract as these particular conventions exist in the minds of speakers who belong to that society that has created the language. Now we have point number 6. To further simplify it, langue is a system that includes all the elements of a language. We continue our discussion in this respect about langue. We have some more ideas to share. Regarding langue, Saussure 2004 once had a clear definition. It is a treasure house stored in all members of a social group through the practice of a speech, or a grammatical system stored in the minds of a group of people. And the last point in this respect is to say langue is a system that is combined by certain vocabulary and grammatical rules. Now let's talk about function of langue. What is the role of langue? Under different conditions, langue plays different roles. Point number 2. When spreading and inheriting culture, langue is the carrier and tool of culture. Point number 3. When understanding objective world, langue is a tool that helps people to perceive and understand world rationally. Now we have the fourth point. When communicating with others, langue is a set of mature grammatical system. Point number 5. As the main form of the expression of a speech activities, langue is a set of recognized, abstract, and internalized language rules. Now we have the conclusion, that is to say, review of langue. What is that? Let's talk about. In 2020 thought that langue is social, universal, and regular. Generally speaking, individuality is not a feature of langue. And the last point in this direction is, in the whole, langue is a symbolic system with universal rules. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.